My name is Samantha Adilla, and this is my greatest achievement. All my life, I struggled with reading. I couldn't pass my tax tests or the STAR test. I struggled in the reading section my whole life. It was very frustrating. My teachers tried to help me through elementary school, but I always failed the test. I tried, and over again, I would fail the test. Then I would go to middle school. I would take the test again, and again, I would find myself struggling. I would get practice reading, and I would get tutoring, and I would study, and I would try my very best, but still I would fail the test. It was such a struggle. I decided to go to a different school at that time. I just felt like I couldn't pass the test. I couldn't pass the reading test. I would look at the hearing students and just feel like I couldn't compare. One day, my interpreter helped me a lot. She actually told me that you're gonna pass the test, I promise. I was trying to believe in her positive comments, and then one day, the principal came to me and said, I noticed that you failed the reading test over and over. And I said, I know, I can't pass it. So they were saying that you have to take summer school or you have to go back through that same grade again. So I decided to go to summer school. I didn't have an option. So when I went to summer school, I worked in my English skills, and one teacher, her name was Kimberly, she approached me and said, I heard that you're struggling with your reading exam. I said, yes, I do. I struggle with it. I study every afternoon, but I can't pass it. And she decided to help me tutor from the language that I needed. She translated it into the language that I needed. And then I was able to study easier. And I almost passed the test the next time. So once again, I took it in the summer and I actually passed at that point. It was such a relief. All the teachers, my interpreter, everybody that gave me such inspiration, they gave me positive thoughts, telling me that I could do it and not to give up, not to think negatively and that I wasn't going to pass, but I was able to think positive and make it happen. Your teachers can help you be successful. They can influence you. And that was my greatest achievement, was being able to pass my reading state test.